Okay, grade 2. Let's add together 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Fine. Let's have another example. Oh my god. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. We repeated the addition here many times. So instead of add many times, I will show you a better way. Which one? Let's see. We can change addition to be multiplication. How? Which number do I add? Of course, number 2. It's repeated how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of writing 2 5 times and add it 5 times, I can write 2 times 5. Excellent. Fine. 5 plus 5 plus 5 by our way equals 5 times what? Again, how many times it's repeated here? 3. Great. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 5 times 3. Another one. 7 plus 7 plus 7 4 times. So I repeated the addition here 4 times. Which number is repeated 4 times? Of course 7. So I can write it by this way. 7 times 4. 3 times 2 means I will repeat 3 2 times, which is 6. 2 times 3 means I will repeat 2 3 times, which is also 6. Oh my god, what do you notice here? 3 by 2 is 6. 2 by 3 is 6. So, when I repeat multiplication here, when I repeat addition, it will be 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. And they will have both the same answer. 3 times 2 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. So finally 3 times 2 is the same like 2 times 3. So when I change the places in multiplication, I must have the same answer. No difference. Another secret about multiplication, when I multiply any number by 0, my answer must be 0. Like 2 by 0 is 0, 0 by 3 is 0. The last secret for today is when we multiply any number by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 equals the same number because it will be repeated only one time. For example, 3 times 1 equals 3. Thank you, grade 2, and have a nice day.